It looks to me like MicroStrategy peaks before Bitcoin. The excitement of Bitcoin climbing plus leverage sends MicroStrategy deviations above its holdings sooner than the local tops of Bitcoin. Is this true? So this is a little bit different. Let's analyze MicroStrategy carefully, because that's what I've been doing since 2020. And there's a reason for this. Let's look first of all at the MicroStrategy Bitcoin pair chart. We'll pull out a few little observations from this. First of all, the red line is the 200-day moving average. Second of all, the blue is the trend of where it's going. It's going up and to the right. And yes, there are violent deviations. But why? Okay, this is MicroStrategy divided by Bitcoin. Why does MicroStrategy keep outperforming Bitcoin? The answer is this. MicroStrategy sats per share. This is the accretion model, or Bitcoin yield, as Michael Saylor calls it. Every week for the last 12 weeks, he has been buying Bitcoin, and he will continue to do so. Okay? He will, as he says, buy the top forever. But every time he issues shares or debt or preferred stock or whatever else, financial jujitsu-wise, to buy Bitcoin, every share gets more Satoshis. Okay? This red line is a trend line from the beginning. I've been in it since the beginning. And every share I have from the very beginning, I still have, with the exception of a very, very small sale I made at the very end of the year for a tax reason. Now, this here shows you the number of Satoshis per share. Currently today is 159,341. If you go back to the very beginning, it was 22,000. So right now you get a lot more Satoshis per share. But not only that, the value of these Satoshis is an awful lot higher than it was in 2020. So hopefully people understand this simple model. Every time he buys and the NAV premium is positive, you get more Satoshis per MicroStrategy share. Okay? And that is the key. Last year, he did about 86% yield. This year, he'll do 30, 40, 50%, maybe another 80%. And that will be reflected here. And I'll update this model again tomorrow as well. That's the second chart. The third chart is this. This is MicroStrategy Bitcoin pair on the ATR model. And you can see very clear buy and sell signals, tops and bottoms, support and resistance levels, etc., etc. And right now, the trend is so strong, it's showing nothing but strength, except for at the very top there where there was a little sell signal to exit the spike. The other chart is ARB. This ARB model, ARB cloud we call it, has been around for many, many years now. Very few people still understand it, but just over the last month, you had 10 buy and sell opportunities. When you go above the cloud, you sell MicroStrategy for Bitcoin. When you go below the cloud, you buy. You buy MicroStrategy. You sell your Bitcoin, you buy MicroStrategy. And then off, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And there we are. It's the best things in life are simple things. And that's how you can make a ton of money and build your bag as well. So hope that helps. There is no rhyme or reason as to the performance. Does it precede a bump in Bitcoin price or not? Not in all cases. And also remember, every week, Saylor is ATMing a little bit as well. Again, giving you more Satoshis per share. The only thing you have to do is just wait. Wait and be patient. And I've proven as well that if he continues, even as recently as yesterday, if he adds 15% Bitcoin yield every year for 10 years, your one Bitcoin turns into about 3.6 or 4.6 Bitcoin. I can't remember the exact number. I shared it in yesterday's video, and that's all you need to know. Okay? Patience is a virtue. Taxes are an issue too, because our cost basis is so low in this puppy. The tax you get hit with to sell is murderous, at least for me. So the thesis of selling and taking profits might change, unless, of course, it's to rotate into a faster horse. Then you can get away with paying the taxes. So I hope that helps.